So good. I think I'll give you guys a little bit of ASMR in the beginning. And then say hello to you the rest of the video. Do you see this? Yum. So good. So hungry. I've been craving these tacos since yesterday. My YouTube fam, Will and Jay, they just dropped a cheesy nacho taco video. I watched it twice, you guys. And then there's this new guy I found last night. You know how YouTube pops new people in and they recommend them to you? I can't remember his name because, like I said, he was new to me. I'll put his name somewhere on the screen. He is a taco lover. Oh my gosh, he had, like, I swear I watched like 6 of his taco videos last night. So, you guys know your girl and her tacos. Come on. Let's see. Mountain Dew. There's meat in there somewhere. So, how's quarantine going for you guys? Y'all already know I got a house full. So I decided to record in my room today. Let the kids have the house, you know. Messy but good. So good. Look at all that cheese. totally enjoying this meal. Cream is so good. You guys like my new plate and my little setup? It'll work. I mean, I'm not going to be recording in my room all the time, but the plate, like, you guys can see the food. Excuse me, I was noticing that the food was starting to look a little washed out. So I wanted to, like, fix that. And then the black under and there's meat in there under all that sour cream. True. Oh, goodness. Fell out. I was watching Trey and Nene last night. And someone told Nene don't lick her fingers. You know, because of what's going on. So she was on purpose. She was like, don't tell me what to do. My hands are clean. I can lick my own fingers as long as, you know, make sure you're not licking your fingers. So just now I noticed that I was licking my fingers a lot. And it made me think of her. As you guys know, this is the meal of the day. This is what I wanted to. I would ask you guys if you have any plans this weekend, but most cities are in quarantine, so are you guys doing anything? I want to buy some Uno cards, but I couldn't find any I looked at Walmart and I looked at Walgreens. Didn't see them. Want some Uno cards. We already have a couple of board games, but I don't know. Everybody's so into their devices. I am too. But it can get real boring real fast, you know. But I've been able to catch up on videos. Excuse me. Excuse me. Good to the last bite, man. Sorry, I don't really have much to say to it. I just want to come on camera and smash. Are these or cravings like delicious? This is what I wanted. Yeah, that bite is gonna be good. That was good. That was so good. So very satisfied. Now I'm about to go edit this video for you guys. Well, I'm gonna clean my dishes. And then since everyone's asleep, because I fed everybody first, that way it can somewhat be quiet. I might take advantage and go ahead and sleep while the babies are asleep. You know, that's something that I was taught. Sleep while the babies sleep. And then get up and edit. I hope all of you guys have an awesome weekend. I will be in the house with everybody, but it'll still be cool. It's supposed to rain, but it's just cloudy outside. It's not raining yet, so. But that was good. I want to thank and appreciate each and every one of you guys who clicked on my video. I love y'all. Thank you so much. Do me a favor, if you are still here in the video, put me a couple of taco emojis. Put 3 in a row. Thanks. And I will be doing a taste test slash well, it's not an unboxing because I already unboxed it. Eat with Ease seafood special sauce, y'all. It's in the freezer. It's waiting for me. I'll probably be recording that tomorrow. for Monday. If my schedule goes the way it is. It's kind of weird, hard, whatever for me to record in front of the family. I don't know why, it just is. So, you know, it's like I have to find the right times where I feel comfortable pressing record. But you guys will get that soon because I want to taste it. Everybody else has tasted and everybody else is like drooling and I'm like, I want it, it's in the freezer. So, yeah, we'll be getting that too. I don't know, that's about it. So I will talk to you guys later. Have an awesome weekend. Wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. Stay inside, don't go outside if you don't have to. But if you do have to, you know, just stay on the hand sanitizer, do what you gotta do, and get back in the house. That's what we did today. My husband and I, we went to Walmart and Walgreens. And we walked just to get some air and exercise and, you know what I'm saying? And Walmart actually looked pretty decent. I mean, the shelves are still kind of empty, but you could tell that they had a chance to restock. So we were able to get some meats and, you know, cleaning stuff and I don't know. We got other stuff. Oh, I'm waking up JoJo. It was nice to get out and get some fresh air, but of course, as soon as I walked in the house, I washed my hands. So just stay safe and aware of your surroundings and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Love you.